everybody, I'm coming at you today with a long overdue video. I have a Stitch Fix, won't say haul, but I have a Stitch Fix box. Trying to figure out right now the things I'm going to keep, the things I'm going to send back, but I'm going to show you what they sent me. I'm going to have a little picture of me just trying it on in the mirror, because just shooting, changing clothes and all that is just a little bit too high for that today. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me slide my box down. And forgive me if you see the light reflecting off my glasses. I do not feel like putting on contact lenses today. So we're going to make the best of this. So first up is a pair of jeans, and these are the Vegas Briley Distressed Frayed Hem Crop Skinny Jeans. I love these jeans, but I have to try and figure, I have so many jeans. I have to try and figure out if these are the ones I want to keep. So both the legs are distressed differently. So this is my right leg, and it's distressed a lot at the knee, and then it has a little distressing on the thigh. And then on the other side, it just has the distressing in 3 separate places on the thigh to, I think, just at the top of the knee. And this is the frayed hem. I've come to like the frayed hem a lot lately. I like these jeans, but I have to try and figure out if I'm going to keep them, because I own a lot of jeans and I just have to see where these fit in. Are they something that I don't already have in my wardrobe? So we are going to see. The next item up is a maxi dress, and let's just take some time to appreciate the back of this. I like the lattice straps on the back. I like that these straps are wide enough to wear a regular bra. This comes to almost my ankles, and the waist is high up, like right up under the breast, so it hits me at the smallest point. But I have to be practical. I have a couple of maxi dresses that I have not worn at all yet. So I have to think about whether or not I want to keep this one. All of the other ones have color, and this is black, and I'm rationalizing and trying to make it so this is not going to work. We'll think about it. This maxi dress is the Love Apella Geo Maxi Dress in black. Next up is a tank top, and it is the Paper Moon Vegan One Pocket Knit Top. I like the detail on the back. I like the silver buttons, as well as the keyhole opening in the back. The front is a scoop neck, gray and white stripes. I like the kind of texture on the stripes. It's not just a plain straight across stripe. And I like the cream and the gray color combination, as well as that pocket on the front. Next, I'm going to have to stand for this. This is the Love Always Miliana hooded cardigan in gray. So this is what this looks like. I like the light gray band across the body, as well as the black stripe on the arm by the wrist. Again, the sweater has a hood. It is gray, black, and white, and there are no buttons or zippers on the front. It is just a clean, open front cardigan. I will be definitely keeping this sweater. The rest I'm not so sure about, but definitely going to keep that sweater. And the last thing is a kimono. I'm going to stand, but let's let you appreciate the color. It's the Emery Park Kaylee Open Kimono in burnt orange, and it is sheer. And I'll put the flowers a little closer because I like the color of the individual flowers on that burnt orange background. So let me stand, and I'll show you that the front of the kimono has like just a straight across hem. So it's, the back is lower than the front, and it has a curved hem on the bottom. So this one I'm thinking about, but what kind of got me was, if I can find it now, if you can see this, see how this piece here is just frayed and just hanging there. It looks like it's come undone. So this is definitely going to go back. I don't know whether or not I'm going to reorder it with one that is not destroyed or damaged. I'm not sure, but that is all the pieces they sent me. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for another video soon. And my glasses are sliding off my face. Stay tuned for another video soon. Bye.